Hi, I'm Walter from Alesis, and I'm here today to give you an overview of the Recital digital piano. Let's get started. The Alesis Recital is a digital piano with 88 premium full-size keys, and it's perfect for students who are just getting started out, as well as professionals who need a great sounding digital piano for practicing, teaching, or gigging. There's 5 incredible built-in voices on the Recital, including piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and bass. And our advanced sound engine makes the Alesis Recital the most realistic and best sounding digital piano in its class. Let's take a listen to the sounds of the Recital. To select a sound, press one of the 5 voice select buttons. So for example, if I want to select organ, I press the organ button, and the organ's selected. Now a really cool thing you can do is you can layer 2 sounds together at the same time. To do this, press 2 of the voice select buttons at the same time. For example, piano and organ, and now you have a nice full and rich sound. The Alesis Recital has 20-watt speakers, so it can get nice and loud, but if you want more volume, you can connect it to an amplifier, a PA speaker, or a home stereo system by using the RCA aux outputs on the rear panel. You'll also find an input for connecting the sustain pedal, a USB connection so that you can use the Recital with educational or recording software, and a power connector for connecting the included power adapter. You can also connect your headphones to the Recital's headphone output. One other really cool thing you can do to take things to the next level is you can split voices across the keyboard. To do this, press and hold the split button along with the voice that you want to be in the lower side of the piano. For example, if I want to select bass, I hold split, press the bass button, and now I have a full ensemble sound. One other great feature of the Alesis Recital is the lesson mode. If you press the lesson button on the front panel, this will divide the keyboard into 2 equal areas with the same pitch and same voice. Now this is a great feature for students and teachers because you can sit side by side at a piano and really watch and study each other. Once again, I'm Walter from Alesis. Thanks for taking the time to check out this overview video on the Recital digital piano. We'll catch you again next time.
Introducing the Privia PX870, the premier instrument in Casio's Privia line of digital pianos. Combining incredibly authentic piano sound and feel with an elegant cabinet that complements any decor, the PX870 delivers a superior piano experience. The PX870 features Casio's Tri-Sensor 2 scaled hammer action keyboard. It's expressive and comfortable to play with simulated ebony and ivory textures and accurate weighting across the entire keyboard. 19 instrument tones are provided, including a new 4-layer stereo grand piano, which comes alive with realistic damper resonance. Let's listen to a few examples. The PX870 also allows you to split the keyboard into 2 equal pitch ranges, perfect for duets and piano lessons. The PX870 features Casio's Concert Play, allowing you to practice or perform along with a symphony orchestra. To bring this experience to life, the PX870 features a newly designed 40-watt stereo sound projection system. Of course, for quiet practice, 2 headphones can be used at any time. And to capture that moment of inspiration, the PX870 features USB audio recording, enabling you to easily share your music with your friends and family. With features such as 256 notes of polyphony, a built-in metronome, 3 pedals, and a variety of colors and finishes, the PX870 is the perfect addition to any home.
I don't know how to play the piano.
One more time.
88%. Yeah. That's impressive.
Hi everyone, I'm Sandy at the One Smart Piano. There's a reason why most people end up quitting music lessons or never even get started. Even when you're taking lessons, it can take years before you start learning your favorite songs. And honestly, practicing alone just isn't fun sometimes. That's why we're bringing you the One Smart Piano. It'll teach you to play without a teacher, at your own pace, and in the convenience of your own home. We've taken mobile technology through your phone or your tablet and combined that with our smart piano.
She's doing the grades too. Oh, that's pretty good.
Through interactive sheet music guidance, video lessons, and games, we're bringing you a new way to learn piano that's fun and motivating. The magic starts when you connect your mobile device to the piano. Find a piece of sheet music you want to learn through our free app. You'll be able to hear a full demo of the piece even before you play. Watch as the LED lights synchronize with the notes. Then you can follow along with the lights, one note at a time. Stop and go, or repeat tricky passages. When you've perfected your practice, save a recording. You can even share it with your friends. Pull up the game mode and follow scrolling bars to earn points. You can also start from the basics with video lessons. Choose from some of the most popular online tutorials. Everything's at your own pace according to your own goals. The One Smart Piano is the one that can bring music to your life.
That was really good.
In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to set up the World Tour SXKS keyboard stand. Remove the Allen wrench from the frame. There are 4 screws located at each end of the frame. Use the Allen wrench to remove these screws. Spread the frame apart until the spring-loaded height adjustment pin clicks into place. If you're having trouble doing this, you may need to pull the pin out slightly. Turn the frame upside down so that you're looking at the bottom. Grab the 2 long poles. Position the 2 poles so that the short end of the back pole is facing the rear and the short end of the front pole is facing the front. The screw hole has a smooth side and a recessed side. Place the screw through the recessed side and rest the smooth side of the pole onto the end of the frame. Using your Allen wrench, tighten the screw into place. Repeat this process for the other long pole. Once both long poles have been installed, flip the frame right side up. You'll also be repeating the same process with the shorter poles, ensuring that the screw holes are positioned correctly in relation to the front and back legs of the frame. Once these short poles are tightened into place, the stand is ready to be used.
With over 100 years of musical instrument craftsmanship, Yamaha is one of the world's most respected piano manufacturers. Now Yamaha builds upon this legendary tradition of quality with the YPG 235, a 76-note piano-focused keyboard designed for the student or performer looking to bridge the gap between acoustic piano and portable keyboard. The YPG 235 carries on the Yamaha tradition of quality and functionality with deluxe piano-focused features, including 76 graded soft-touch action piano-style keys that feel and play like an acoustic piano. The portable grand feature that resets the entire keyboard to the industry's best piano sound with the touch of a button. The Yamaha Education Suite, which teaches students how to play built-in songs through a series of 7 interactive lessons. And a Your Tempo lesson mode that allows students to learn at their own pace. Other features include a 6-track sequencer for recording original compositions and performances, a backlit LCD that illustrates keyboard settings with definition and clarity, on and off panel light indicators, and real-time control of sounds using a pitch bend wheel. Plus, USB connectivity and flash ROM allow users to download new songs, styles, and keyboard setups with the expandable music database. With a large selection of realistic-sounding voices, 5 types of preset master EQ, and 12 watts of power to the stereo speakers, the YPG 235 guarantees a rewarding experience to your ears. The YPG 235 Yamaha Portable Grand, piano features and quality in a portable keyboard. Want more? Then step up to the 88-note YPG 535 or YPG 635. For more information, access the main menu.
The RD2000 has 2 independent sound engines for unparalleled sound quality. Now also the action is a very, very premium action, our best yet. And it's so beautiful, it plays so naturally. And very articulate. Now everything that's on is lit up, so it's very easy to know what's going on as a controller. The knobs are dynamic, so if I move quickly, you'll have a greater value. If I move slowly, then they move very precise. This is the perfect instrument for the pro or for the studio musician. Now, it has all of the functionality that you could ever imagine, the sound quality, the functionality for internal and external control, everything that you could imagine, it's all here in the new RD2000.